Benches are looking great. It's not dry yet though, so we'll see what it looks like when it's dry, but it's looking really nice. The metal work looks really good, and the wood is looking really good. So I hope they stay that deep color when they're dry. This one doesn't, this has the least amount of coats on it. So I plan on putting several more on this one. This is the last one of the 3. So in between times, I did do some other projects. And I went down to use up some of the sealer on the gazebo. I got sidetracked. I have Maya and Ava around here. Come here, Maya. Come on, Ava. The girls. So the trellis, I built probably 18 years ago, at least 15 or about 15 maybe. And I noticed that this leg was sitting in the dirt. And I'm sure I did not do that originally, but I think over the years, when it rains really hard, you get the water coming down through with some dirt, and it gradually just built up. And that is not good, because you can see where it's starting to rot it out. Now, fortunately, this thing has been good. I mean, it is hemlock, and it gets wet, but it dries quick. So it's been holding up really well. I did put some of the sealer on this area here, and my connecting diamonds, I put a bunch on there. And I'm gonna have some more when I'm done with the last bench, so I might hit it some more. But I decided I really should not leave that in the dirt, so I carried some granite pieces down, or some natural stone pieces that I had. And Lucas helped me. We pried it up, lifted it up, and we got it up much better. 4 on each one, 6 on this side. So I'm really happy with that. Still looking good. The grapes never do very well here because we got so much shade. I think that's the reason. But it still looks cool. It is a cool design how I use the diamonds to hold things together, and the screws all look very good. So it's I had angled it. It's not a rectangle. I had angled it to fit that exact position, to fit right in there. So kind of debating on whether I leave the grapevines on. Maybe something else would do better here. But then again, it's if it doesn't have a lot growing on, it's probably better for it. Okay, the trellis up in the air more, and I feel good about that. So bottom line is, when you're putting something up, build up the base. If you have some stone, get it up there. At first when I started doing this, I thought, well, maybe 3 inches is too much, maybe 4 inches is too much. I don't believe that at all now. This one over here is up about 2 feet, and I like it a lot. So I think maybe at some point it's too much, but I may bring some more and put this up another 2 on each leg, and it'll still be good. Okay, on to our next project.